What's going on YouTube? 6'5" Rider here, coming back to you with another video. Today's video, this is gonna be a first for the channel, something I haven't done before, like ever. In today's video, we are riding a frickin' Suzuki Hayabusa 2026 GSX 1300 R. Holy moly, guys. Oh my god. What an experience. Sheesh. Oh my god. So like I said, you guys, 2026 Suzuki GSX-R, GSX 1300R. In other words, known as the Hayabusa, one of the most known bikes across the motorcycle industries. This is the Gen 3. I think it has like 170 horsepower, something crazy like that. There's another one right in front of me. It's so freaking smooth, bro. Alright, so I know what you guys are thinking. You probably think this is super unusual for the channel. It's a Harley channel. What is this guy doing riding a freaking Hayabusa? Well, I'll tell you what. A couple of days ago, I was at Broward Motorsports, just, you know, obviously looking at bikes and seeing what was happening. See, you know, sometimes you just go and you sit on freaking motorcycles. You go and sit on motorcycles, and I was sitting on a bunch of them, and then there was a 2025, I think, or a 24. It was all like blacked out. It got an exhaust and everything, and I went and I sat on it, and I had never felt like that before sitting on a sport bike. It was so freaking comfortable, dog. That quick shifter is insane, bro. It's so smooth. I've never felt a quick shifter that insane. It's crazy. Wow, bro. It's not nimble, you know, like you can feel the weight and the heaviness, and but it's just so freaking smooth, bro. Like for a bike that's got this this personality and this personality and this freaking much and this much freaking power, bro. Like, it doesn't feel like it should be this freaking smooth. Oh my god. As you guys know, this is not a review or anything like that. It's just a first ride. I don't even know how to change the modes, bro. Oh, I see it right there. Power mode 1. Yeah, it's definitely a more aggressive riding position than I'm used to, but it's not that bad. Like, I sat on the R1 a couple of days ago when I was at Broward Motorsports, and that one like kind of hurt my back because I had to kind of go down all the way, you know? With this one, no, it's not bad. There's some pressure on my wrist, but it's not terrible at all. There's a Lee with the GSX-S 1000. Oh, this might have been a bad idea, because now I freaking want a Hayabusa, bro. I really do. Let's go. Let's try power mode B, whatever that is. Okay, power mode A is the best one. Oh yeah, and that suspension felt pretty good too, bro. That wants to jump, bro. The power is freaking insane on this thing. It just wants to take off, bro. Especially once you hit like 5,000 RPM. Just wants to go. I wish I can take this on the highway right now. Sheesh, dude. What is this, man? What kind of sorcery is this? So I've never really owned a sport bike, and recently I've really been considering it, especially after, you know, getting rid of the Road Glide. I told you guys in that video that I want to kind of branch out and test out some other types of machines out there. You know, I've only been accustomed to cruisers, and you know, now with the and I had the Indian FTR, and now I have the Pan America. I want to branch out kind of and test what else is out there, you know. I'd love to get a sport bike, or like at least a naked, you know. Originally I was considering a MT10, which is likely what I'm gonna get. I don't think Hayabusa is a good sustainable motorcycle to own. But I don't know, it's either between an MT10 or maybe a Triumph Speed Triple, or maybe a Hayabusa, you know what I mean? Like if I go the sport bike route, it's definitely going to be either Hayabusa, or I'm going to go all out and get a S1000 RR. So I don't know yet. The cool thing about this bike is, like, no matter how much power it has, it's still pretty tame and smooth, honestly, you guys. Obviously I haven't hit any rev limiters or anything like that, so I can't really tell, but can barely get out of second gear on this freaking ride, bro. I can tell, like, this riding position after a little while, it'll definitely get a little old, you know. Bro, insane. It's so funny, some random dude just jumped in the demo ride with us. Hey, you see the Triumph guy in the ride? It's crazy. It's so smooth, but then when you hit it, bro, it like starts slowly and then it goes. You got traction control on? No, I mean the RPM. Oh. It starts slow and then it like flies up, bro. It's insane. How's that? Yeah? Yeah, the way that power comes on is crazy. It's so funny, that random guy just randomly, like, with his Triumph, just wanted to join the demo ride. I have no idea what he's doing, to be honest. It's weird. He just wheelied, bro. Can I take it on the highway, please? That would be nice. Yeah, just as comfy as it is, the seating position, after a little while, you're like, okay, I'm over this. Especially for me being a bigger guy. Like you see, my legs are bent pretty hard. But it's still probably better than a lot of other options out there. I can tell you though, sport bike is probably not a good idea for me. Like, no joke. But that was fun in the that little Florida twisty road, you know? Oh my god, bro. You gotta hold on for dear life when you hit it. And I'm probably experiencing like maybe 25% of the power and potential of this bike. Crazy, man. Crazy. So much fun, though. It's got adjustable grips, adjustable suspension, front and back. It's like a premium sport bike, bro. These mirrors are actually really good. I haven't felt them shake at all. But you know, honestly, like, maybe it's just because it's something that I'm used to, but the stand-up or the upright riding position, nothing beats that, dude. God damn, dude. That's insane. It's crazy. Huh? No, I don't think so. It's scary. Yeah. I know, bro. Yeah, look at the blue one over there. Sick. Sick, sick, sick. I think I'm like really scared to push it, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Just because we're in these small streets, but I really want to get on the freaking highway one day. You know, if I ever could. It would be nice to get on the highway. The riding position is definitely, like, for me as a bigger guy, I'm 6'5". I'm not really used to riding sport bikes. Maybe it'll get better if I, you know, get more used to it, but the riding position definitely hurts my back a little compared to like the upright position for sure. Wasn't that quick shifter? Quick shifter is sick, bro. It's so smooth. Like, there's no comparison, but I try to compare it with my Pan America. There's absolutely no comparison whatsoever. Look at it, yo. Insane, dude, huh? Yeah, I did. I know. But it's so smooth, right? The quick shifter? It's crazy. Alright, guys. This was my ride. First ride on a Hayabusa. It's pretty insane. I'll see if I can stick around and test ride a couple other bikes for you guys. But this was honestly the only one that I was interested in. I was interested in the DRZ Supermoto, but I don't know if I'll get the chance to ride that today. It's getting hotter and I might have to leave. This is the only bike I wanted to test ride. So yeah.